Hi, today we are going to see how to use Google Slide. First of all, go to your browser. In the search bar, type slides.google.com. After that, you will see a template gallery in your screen and your recent presentation and a blank option. You can use the template gallery to do a fast work, or if you want to start a new presentation, then click on blank. Here you will see an untitled presentation document. I am now creating a demo. From here you will see a new slide with new layout. You can add title slide, section header, title body, title with 2 columns, or title only, column text, main point, selection, title, description, caption, big number and blank. Here, after adding this title, you can edit this. From here, you can undo or redo your action. You can also print from here, and you can also paint format from here. Also from here, you can zoom in or zoom out. Here, a direct selection tool is here. You can click the text and minimize or maximize it from here. If you want to insert an image from your computer or search the web or from Drive, photos by URL or by camera, you can add from here. Here you can add shape, add arrows, add callout and add equations. Also you can draw line, arrow, elbow connector, curved connector, curve, polyline and scribble from here. Also from here you can give a color to your presentation. You can select border color from here and border white, then border dash you can select from here. You can also select the font that you have chosen from here. Also you can increase or decrease your font size from here. You can also bold or italic or underline or change the text color from here. In the more option, you can add link, add comment, align, line paragraphing and spacing, bold list, decrease intent or increase intent, then clear formatting and format option and animate from here. In the right option, you can select the themes you want. I am selecting a one. Here you can see the demo from here. If you cut theme option, your presentation will be full screen. From here you can see your all slides. You can also zoom in or zoom out from here. In the upper layer you can see a file option that you can share your file, open new file, open your old file, import slides, make a copy, email, download, make available offline, version history, rename, move, add to shortcut, move trash. In the edit option, you can also cut, copy, paste, delete, duplicate and select all from here. In the view option, you can slideshow, motion, theme builder, grid view, zoom, show ruler, guide, snap, show to speaker note, show film script, show comments and full screen from here. In the insert option, you can insert image, text box, audio, video, shape, table, chart, diagram, word art and line. From format option, you can format your text, align indent, line or paragraph spacing, bullet numbering, tables, clear formatting, borderline, format option and image. In the slide option, you can add slide, duplicate slide, delete slide, skip or move slide, change background, apply layout, transition, edit theme or change theme. In the arrange option, you can order, align, distribute, center on page, route, group, ungroup. In the tools option, you can check your spelling, explore, link object, dictionary, Q&A history, voice type, speaker note, script editor, preference, accessibility setting. In add-ons option, you can get add-ons and manage add-ons. If you don't understand anything, you can get help from here. Your presentation slide will be saved in your Google Drive. Here you can open comment history, present to meeting, slideshow, and also share your presentation. So that's all about Google Slides. If you like this video, give the thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.